In today's video, I'm going to talk about how AI is going to replace your job and what you should do instead, right? Now, it is no secret that AI has replaced already so many jobs, right? In fact, I think it was Amazon and Microsoft that actually came out with some mad figures how AI has basically replaced thousands and thousands of jobs, right? And it's only going to get worse. AI is getting smarter and smarter to the point now where we're watching videos and we don't know if it's real or if AI made it, right? I mean, it was bad enough when pictures were being shown and we didn't know if it was AI or real, you know? And now it's come to a point where even videos, we cannot tell the difference between what's real and what's fake, okay? And the scary thing is that this is just the beginning. So in about 5, 4, even 3 years from now, we're gonna have a completely different world in the sense that we will not be able to tell what's real and what's made up, okay? And this is why you really need to start an online business, because an online business is something that you can control, you're gonna make money off, and you're gonna make more money from, and you can use AI to help your business rather than working a 9-to-5 job when you're basically gonna get replaced at some point in the future. A lot of people think that they're gonna work their 9-to-5 job and nothing's gonna replace them. That is very naive of you to think that, because the way AI is going and the way it's already replaced so many jobs, it's going to continue to do that. Even if you're driving a taxi, for example, you've got, especially here in Dubai, I've seen, driverless cars, which has been tested in Abu Dhabi, and I think it's going to be a reality very soon. You've got driverless cars, and it's something that's going to be coming in London as well, which I saw. Guys, any job you can think of, AI is going to replace it. So what are you going to do when AI replaces your job? What are you going to do when you have no income coming in? Because AI has now taken your job and everyone else is going to be using AI to make money, right? And this is why in this video, I'm going to explain how you guys can essentially use AI to make money online, right? So you don't have to worry about AI taking your job and replacing your income. Okay, now just before I continue the video, just so you guys know who I am, my name is Alim and I left the UK over 12 months ago. I was working a 9-to-5 job myself. In fact, I was working several 9-to-5 jobs until I thought, you know what, I've had enough of this. I'm going to take the biggest risk of my life, pack my bags, move to Dubai, and now I run a 6-figure coaching business, okay? Which has completely changed my life, allowed me to work from anywhere in the world. Obviously, I've decided to reside in Dubai. Living in Dubai is one of the best things ever, honestly, but this is where I've decided to reside. But because of the nature of my business, I can work wherever I want because it's all on a laptop. It's, I use AI myself as well, and I can go anywhere I want, right? I can work in the UK, I can go to Qatar, wherever I go, I can go anywhere I want because my business is completely remote, right? And most jobs aren't, to be fair. So the reason why AI is going to replace most of your jobs, right, is because you guys have to understand one thing. You guys are humans at the end of the day, right? So you get paid, you need to take a break, you are going to sometimes fight against your employer. AI is not going to do that. AI is going to work long hours, right, without complaining. AI doesn't need a lunch break, right? AI doesn't want a salary raise. AI is just going to quietly do things. So you, to answer my question, right, why would any company want to hire you over AI? Because AI is going to work out cheaper for them in the long run. It's not going to complain. It's not going to give any headaches out. And it's just going to do its job quietly. Whilst you're going to probably complain, you're going to get tired, you're going to ask for days off, you're going to, take lunch breaks, all of that kind of stuff, right? AI is not going to do that. So every company is going to rather choose AI than choose a human in the end, right? And this is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. It's going to come to a point where majority of the jobs is going to be replaced by AI, and a lot of you guys are going to be out of jobs, out of income, and you're not going to know what to do. Now, what business model should you guys do then if AI is really going to take over most jobs? Well, I'm going to explain that, okay? And before I do, let me just explain one thing. If you guys are looking to start an online business, which you definitely should be looking to do, click the link in the description where it says work with me, because what I do is I actually help people start an online business, and I work with you by scaling you to 10K a month on a 3-month program, okay? So if you do want help with starting your own business and scaling it to 10K a month, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and I'll be happy to jump on a call and see exactly how I can help you. Now, the best business model that you guys should do is start a coaching business, is by leveraging your personal brand and getting in clients, okay? Now, the reason why this works so well, and the reason why this is kind of AI proof, is because in about 3-4 years, right? What's going to happen? In fact, I'll even say earlier than that. But what essentially is going to happen is AI is going to completely take over. We will not know what's real, what's fake, right? And everything's going to be artificial, okay? Like we're going to be living in a world of AI, okay? And in that period of everyone basically abusing AI, human interaction is going to be so important. People are going to crave human interaction. Human interaction will be the best currency because people will want to speak to someone else rather than speak to a robot. It's going to get to that point where people are going to be sick and tired of speaking to a robot and they want to just speak to a human, right? And that is going to be scarce. This is why building a personal brand is going to put you ahead of everyone else, because no matter how sophisticated AI gets, it's not going to replicate human interaction. It's not going to replicate human emotion, right? There's something very different when it comes to a human speaking and a human communicating and a human actually helping you, right? This is why a coaching business will by far be the best business model over the next few years, because you're going to make good money now, you're going to make good money in the future, and AI is just going to completely take over. Everything's going to be artificial, and then having human interaction is going to be like the most sought after thing. And this is where you can start charging high ticket, right? So you can charge $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 or $5,000. So essentially what you guys want to do is pick a skill that you're good at. Now, this skill can be anything. There's a woman here in Dubai teaching people how to knit. She makes just under 20 grand a month, you know? There are so many skills you guys can pick. Like, there are so many skills. It doesn't have to be anything high level. It doesn't need to be a skill that you need to be an expert at. No, any skill will work, right? As long as you've got a skill that is in demand, which to be fair, most skills are, you can literally sell that skill for $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 or $5,000. Every client you get will pay you $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 or $5,000, and you will make money, right? And guys, doing this business model is 100 times better than doing a 9 to 5. And I know this because I used to work a 9 to 5. I know how hard it is. And I used to work 40 hours a week to come home with 2 grand after a whole month, right? 40 hours a week, so it was what, 160 hours a month. I used to get 2 grand from that. Looking back, it's crazy, because now I make over 6 figures a year. So for me to make 2 grand, honestly, I can make 2 grand today in literally a few hours if I wanted to. That's how powerful it is when you start your own business. And guys, when you start a coaching business, everything will change, because now you're going to be helping people, right? And because of that human interaction that I mentioned earlier, that is going to be the most like sought after thing. And whilst everyone works on chasing AI and using AI, making everything completely artificial, you are going to stand out. Now, you don't want to use AI to make everything artificial. You want to use AI to help you in your business, but you still want to add that human interaction in there. And this is why a coaching business and building a personal brand is the best thing you guys can do. And I'm telling you guys now, and this is why even a lot of 6, 7, and 8-figure entrepreneurs, rather than promoting their company, what they're doing is promoting themselves and building a personal brand and using that to promote their company. Because the thing is, we're in a trust crisis already. AI is going to completely mess that up even more, where it's going to be even more of a trust crisis. So the only way you're going to stand out is by actually being human. And I know that sounds so crazy and so far-fetched, but trust me, this is what's going to happen, right? So if you start a coaching business now, you'll obviously make money straight away. But in about a year or 2, even 3 years, you are going to be making even more money. 1, because you've learned how to do it, and 2, because AI is going to take over. So you're going to be standing out in front of everyone else who's using AI, and you're going to stand out because you're just being human. And again, it sounds crazy, but this is the world that we're living in. So that's why a coaching business is the best business model to do. That's why building a personal brand is one of the best things to do, because guys, AI is going to replace your jobs. Whether you want to believe it, whether you like it, doesn't matter. AI is going to replace your job. It doesn't matter what you do. To a certain extent, AI is going to pretty much replace most jobs, right? Obviously, there are some jobs that it can't replace, but if you're doing one of those low tier jobs, AI will replace it. Even if you're doing like a mid-tier job, AI will replace it. So rather than getting replaced by a flipping robot, you guys need to understand that you need to start a business now that's going to change your life, allow you to have freedom, work when you want, help. You can use AI to help you, but ultimately you're going to have that human interaction, which means that you're going to make the most amount of money possible. And again, you're going to have freedom, right? And that is ultimately what I wanted from an online business, which is to have freedom, work when I want, where I want, how I want, right? I can do whatever it is that I want. This is true freedom. There's no one that can tell me what to do, right? I don't have a boss over my head. I get to work when I want, how I want, and where I want. This is the reason I started an online business. And not to mention, you can make as much money as you want, and this is something else that you guys can do. For example, if you charge like $3,000 or $4,000, well, if you get 10 clients, that's like what, 30, 40 grand a month? And I know to a lot of people, that's life-changing, right? So it is crazy. Anyone can do this. Genuinely, anyone can do this. And that's why I'm saying AI is going to come to replace your jobs, right? So rather than AI doing that, and before that even happens, start an online business, start a coaching program, start building up your personal brand, because it's going to completely change your life. Now, if you guys do need any help with that, which is something I do, I've got my own coaching program where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month. Click the link in the description where it says work with me, jump on a call with me, and I'll be happy to see how I can actually help you. Now guys, if you want to see a full breakdown on this business model and how it works, click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.